guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing slash demo of a new skincare brand that I just recently received in the mail. And this brand, I have admired it from afar, but I've never actually tried it out. More so because I've wanted to like touch and feel it. And now I am very hyped to try out their skincare products. So that brand is going to be Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm so hyped about this, you guys, because like I said, I have loved their products from afar. And some of my favorite makeup artists use this brand. And I just cannot wait to try it out. So it looks like they have two new products, which they consider to be the new Miracle Spa in a Jar duo. And that's the Goddess Cleansing Rituals. And then it looks like they're launching their Magic Cream, which I've heard so many good things about, in two new sizes, a 30 milliliter and a 150 milliliter. So let's get right into it. So here is the box. I'm kind of already opened it up and unboxed everything. Well, taking everything out of the boxes. So we have a cloth for something. I don't know. I don't know what that's for. Okay, here's the Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. And it gives expert facialist results in just 15 minutes. I also have the Goddess Cleansing Ritual 2 Purifying Charcoal Cleanse, and also the Citrus Oil Radiance Cleanser. I also have this, okay, this is what I can't wait to try out when I do makeup, because it is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. And it's powered by a fluorescent core that converts UV light into skin luminosity for an instant soft focus spotlight effect. I'm gonna give this a try later on. Okay, so I also have a mini size of the Charlotte's Magic Cream. I have a large size of the Magic Night Cream. And I have, okay, a bigger size of the Magic Cream. I have this Magic Eye Rescue, which is the eye cream to turn back the clock, okay? And then lastly, I have this Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Y'all know I love, love, love skincare. Like, that is my biggest thing. I love it even more than makeup, so I can't wait to try this stuff out. And also, I'm sure you guys can't tell on camera, but I am currently going through something right here. It's that time of the month, and every time around this time of the month, I usually almost always break out just because of hormones. So like right now, I have a huge spot of breakouts. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pimples just in this area here. I have one weird one coming in right here in my lash line. It's so weird and it feels so strange. And then I have a few down here as well. And I even had one yesterday down here along my jawline. So hopefully this kind of helps to tackle those areas and gets my skin together. So I figured I would go ahead and just kind of do a really simple skincare routine with these products, using the cleansers, the night cream, the clay mask, things like that. How I would do this routine at night, and also sharing my thoughts on these products. So I'm gonna first go in, like it said, with the Citrus Oil Radiance Cleanser first. And this one here, it says it's a radiance boosting citrus oil that removes impurities whilst improving the appearance of tone, clarity, and texture. Okay, so take a little bit on my hand here. Ooh, it definitely smells very citrusy. Ooh. Okay, this is maybe I should apply it without the water first. Okay, so I did that wrong. Let me start over again. As you can see, it's not a soapy cleanser at all. So it says that I should just apply the cleanser first onto my skin and then take the cloth, wet the cloth up, and then massage it into my skin like that. So I'm gonna do it that way because I could just tell that that wasn't right because of the fact that it's not a foaming cleanser. So just take this again, take about a dime size amount. Okay, that feels better. Ooh, this feels really nice and creamy and oily. You guys, look at that. Ugh. I feel like I've never used a cleanser that feels like this because it's definitely very oily. You can tell the citrus oil is very, very potent in this cleanser because it's giving my skin like the most oily look. And like it said, it should remove all the impurities And if you guys don't know, oil attracts oil. So if you have oily skin, you definitely would love using a cleanser like this that has oil in it, because it actually helps you to produce less oil. Taking the cloth, wetting this up in warm water. I'm gonna take this and remove away that cleanser. I'm gonna dry off my face and then move on to ritual 2, which is the Goddess Cleansing Purifying Charcoal Cleanser. So this one just says to massage the charcoal cleanser into a wet face until it turns white. And just so you guys know, after that first cleanser, my skin feels, just from just one product, my skin feels like a baby's bottom. It feels so good and smooth. Like, I definitely think that oil, that citrus oil, really did wonders, because my face before I got started was actually pretty dry. Ooh, look at this. That's such a pretty color. And then just massage this into my skin. This actually feels pretty creamy as well. Make sure I get over here where I have those breakouts. I want to make sure that's purified because I want to get rid of those. Taking my cloth, rinsing it with warm water, and using this to just rinse it away. And I'm just patting my face dry with a towel. Okay, so my skin, you guys, feels freaking amazing. So now I'm trying to figure out, should I do the dry sheet mask or the Goddess clay mask? I want to do this one, but because I'm dealing with breakouts, a clay mask is always the way to go, because the clay mask is going to be what literally tightens your pores and what pulls out all of that junk and goop from your skin. So let's take some of this, my fingers, just applying this all over. Gotta hit this pimple. Make sure I hit all the pimples. Alrighty, so our Goddess Skin Clay Mask is on. I'm gonna let that sit there for probably about 15 minutes just to make sure that it really kind of dries out and tightens up a little bit, because that's what you want to happen with the clay mask. And then come back, rinse it off, and then apply the night cream and the eye cream before I go to bed. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes and the mask is pretty much dry for the most part, and it looks like it did what it's supposed to do. Like, I can even see that some of the pimples down here have actually kind of minimized a bit, so that's good. That's typically what a clay mask does do. I'm gonna take my muslin cloth here and just rinse my face with some warm water. Okay. Alright, I'm just pat my skin dry, so that is all good to go. Now, because I'm about to go to bed, I definitely want to give my skin a nice quench of hydration overnight, because like I said, my skin recently, especially during the winter time, my skin tends to be a lot drier than normal. I'm gonna take the Magic Night Cream, and it looks like this. Ooh, it smells so good. Here is the Magic Eye Cream, which you guys know I'll apply this right under my eyes. And I've actually swatched this already, and you guys, this feels like butter on your skin. Okay, so first going in with the night cream. Finger. Ooh. Okay, this has a strange consistency. I was expecting it to be more of like a lotion, but it's like a really thick jelly cream kinda. It feels really strange. Okay, so applying this all over. Woo! And y'all, this is really thick too. This night cream, and just massaging this into the skin. You guys see how already it naturally gives my skin a gorgeous glow, just naturally. It's taking me a little while to kind of massage this into the skin because it's so thick, and I want to make sure that it's nice and even all over the skin. Okay, so that's the night cream, and then going in with the Magic Eye Rescue Cream, and apply this. I also apply it under my eye and over my eye, and then right here in the outer portion of my eye, because I feel like that's kind of where I can get a little bit dry, and also it helps to prevent those wrinkles from, of course, like, you know, your eyelids, and also here, what's it called that you can get? I think it's like crow's feet, so I definitely want to prevent that. So apply that all around my eye. And one thing I can say about these products is that a little bit goes a long way, because the products are so rich and hydrating already that it takes a little bit to do the trick. So like this jar here, and even this jar here will last a long time. I have not seen my skin look this moisturized and just glowy naturally, like not naturally, but like with the cream on it, like ever. So I can only imagine how, because what I'm imagining is that it'll actually seep into the skin, and then I wake up and rinse my face off in the morning, it'll be really, really nice and hydrated and moisturized. And I haven't seen my skin look like this ever with like any product ever before. So you guys, that is it for my nighttime get unready with me routine. As I mentioned, I always go to bed, fall asleep, wake up, and rinse my face off. Rinse off the extra product, which in my opinion, I feel like I'll probably seep into the skin anyways, but rinse it off and then get ready for the day. But as far as using these products every night for a nighttime routine, I love them. Like I said, I haven't seen my skin look this hydrated and moisturized in forever, like, what if ever. So I can definitely see this as like my every night routine before I go to bed. And I'm excited to try consistently, for a few weeks just to see the results that I do get. Because I'm looking forward to the hydration that it should give my skin, after, a week or two of consistent use. So that is it for my luxury nighttime skincare routine. I also, like I said, I didn't use the dry sheet mask because I wanted to just pick either or. So I would use this if my skin really needed a huge boost of hydration. I'm definitely going to try out the Wonder Glow and also the Magic Cream tomorrow whenever I do get ready and do my makeup, because I want to see how these two pair together as far as my skin prep routine goes for makeup. But I'll try those later and see how that works. But as far as skincare routine goes, this is it, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this first impression / unboxing / nighttime skincare get unready with me video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.